Lord have mercy.
Just a girl. Just a girl.
I love this life.
Oh, let's go.
That is what nightmares look like. We literally have 14 days, 2 weeks until my birthday, and I have not built a relationship with a stylist strong enough to not wake up the day of my appointment and get that hey boo text. So let's fix that, because we need hair, nails, lashes, makeup, clothes, everything, and we are not prepared. But we're gonna get organized, so let's get organized for our birthday. Hey guys, welcome to day 1 of our maintenance vlog. Today we're gonna be doing nails. Oh my gosh, these are the nails. Trashy. Trashy. Anyways, my Uber is here, so I'm not gonna waste too much time. But the nails are looking awful, and I want them to be looking not being awful. So let's go and get our nails done. Yeah, I'm very excited for my nail appointment. I'm very excited for the style that I chose initially. I hope it comes out really well. Granted, this girl has always can't find my bracelet. Let me just ensure I have a ring on. This girl has always done my nails really well, so very excited about that. Let's go to nail appointment. This is fragrance of the day. It is the Kayali Taki Kem Vanilla. Inside, boy. Come inside. Thank you. Anyways, Kayali Vanilla. This is the look. We're gonna start by Pilates first. Socks. Just kind of like a cute little. Show you guys what I'm working with for the design. A crystal. Oh,
Crystal. Yes.
I am obsessed. When I please cuticle not yet cleaned up, but stunning. I love them so much. So we're gonna add a little gem. Alright, you guys, welcome back to the vlog. It is day 2 of our birthday maintenance. Today I am gonna get my hair done, but first we have to do our lashes, because if the lashes aren't done, how will you even like your hair? We're having a little morning matcha. Love me a little matcha. I think we're gonna do it this style, so let's get started. Whenever I used to go get my makeup done, I always go with my lashes already done, because this is the thing that ruins makeup and pisses people off. Yeah, I used to be so sorry for my makeup girl, because she'll be doing such a good job. It's when my eyes water. They don't water like, oh my gosh, just a little sprinkle of water. I'm talking about like a lot of water, like running. I've never seen water travel upward, but my eyes can't do it. My eyes, they do it. These are the lashes. They look a little big only because we don't have anything done with our hair. Once my hair is kind of like done, these will look so much better. I'm gonna get ready for my hair appointment. Just jumping on my head. Anyways, guys, I'm not gonna compete. I'm at my hair appointment. Alright, you guys, so I just got to my hair appointment. Let me see if I can pull up the directions. This is the slicer. Look at that thing.
What? Oh, that is nice.
I use it to slice my sour things that day too. My head's not big, but like I don't have like the smallest head. I feel like when you have a small head, you can go very heavy with your layers because it fits your face. But when you have a big head like myself, too many layers, they will see me from a mile away. Look at that big head. And then yeah, I use like the
Like what? You're good company. I think it's so. You know what? Never mind. What's best for you?
I watched you curl it, so I feel like I can mimic it. Especially because I'm not gonna wear it with the curls. I'm gonna do like the little pin.
I took their course in electrical engineering. This was a favorite climb on 8. You know, other than the fact that you sometimes had to kill people for a living, you're like my role model. Are you comfortable in life? If only the police did listen, and the police knows what he's doing.
Ooh. of the light. Yes, obsessed. My husband needs to marry me again because this is not fair. How can you say you're not like wigs? Like, look at this. Look at this. Look at that. Stunning. It's my birthday. I'm gonna be 29. I can't believe I'm gonna be 29. Guys, make sure you come to Rolex hair because, baby. Ooh, look at that. Can you see how that moves? Body. Ooh, I can't even see the back. Lord of mercy.
Just a girl.
I love this life. Can't believe this is my first time getting like a nice wig. Crying look too good. Oh my gosh, I have to call my husband and be like, babe,
I think wigs are good now.
let's go out because it feels so nice. How a man would want to run his hands through this like, hey baby, you're so nice. I love it, Cameron. Is it Cameron?
Cameron, yeah.
Love it. Oh my gosh, girl. Thank you. It looks so nice. It feels so grown. Like I always want to give like, you know, like a
Yes.
yeah. You guys, I just got home. Look how nice. I feel so good. Like I feel so nice. I really like it. I feel like it came out so cute. Like I don't know if I do it myself. I feel like it came out so cute. And I actually really like it. Just like every second I'm not gonna this is what my armpit looks like a couple days before my birthday. And apparently hot girls don't shave anymore, they wax. So the dog got a wait, where's my wax skate? So I got a wax skate from Amazon. We're gonna try it and we're gonna see. Let's see. Wow, so you're just gonna roll it under your armpit. People, nervous. I'm nervous. And then we're gonna go in with the Perfect Finish wipes. So you want me to put wipes under my burning armpit? Are these people on crack or cocaine? Either ways, I guess we will find out and see. Cause I think that she is ready. They said if it's like a honey consistency, which she is. So let's get started. I got myself a little bit of lotion because I feel lotion powder because I feel like I'm gonna need a little liquid support, powder support under my armpit. Yeah. And then I have my strips on standby. Oh, I need to read the rest of the instructions, like how long I need to let it sit on my skin for. Do I let it sit until I die? I don't even know if I can use powder. Waxing, so bear with me. Me bomba, no me bomba. Me a go mad in this place, you. Me is gonna mad in here. Me is gonna mad in here. Alright? God, me no know. Me can't do it. Me can't do it, people. Me do my best, but me cannot do it. Me cannot bring myself. Hold of yourself. Get a hold of yourself. How old are you? It's probably too much. It's too much powder. It's too much powder, Amoy. Oh, God have mercy. All right, let's try this again. Heavenly Father, let's let this be. All right. Luckily, I read the instructions. I was doing it wrong to begin with. It doesn't go directly on your armpit. It goes on the skin. It goes on the tape. Is my first strip. They say to put it under your pit. Oh, God of His mercy. Here we go. Start this. Why am I start this? Ready? Ready, set. Me bombard. Me can't do it. Alright. Ready? Amazon, this happened. Straight back to Amazon. This is going back to Amazon. I'm gonna try it again, but if this don't come off, it's going back to Amazon. Where is it going? Me bombard. Me can't do this. Me bombard. Me bombard. I guess that's how it's done. For my papa, me have to be a big girl at some point. Me have to grow up. All right, let's see if we can get the rest of this out. All right. Oh God, I was smart. Maybe just hold my hand. Rip it in there. Me bumba. Me have to rest. Me have to rest. I have to rest. Me an alien. Watch there. Me have to rest now. Ready, set, go. Me not finish the rest of it, you know. I'm so serious. I'm not finishing the rest of it. I'm not finishing the rest of it. Me cannot keep doing this to myself. This is crazy. My hand can't even, me can't even put on my hand. Me can't even put down my armpit properly. Me can't live like this. Me not wax the armpit, you know. Me not wax it. Me tell you no truth. Me not wax it. Me not wax it. Me not waxing it. It's so painful. I'm not finished. I'm not finishing. Maybe these weren't the right. Okay, what is this supposed to do? They said these are the perfect finish wipes. Okay. Oh God. Maybe I can't bend my armpit now. I'm gonna be honest with you guys. This is what I do? Is this what you ladies have been doing? Look at this. This is the waxing. I was... Not telling a lie. I can't wax the rest of my armpit. I can't live like this. How me I gonna live like this? Like, how me I gonna look for myself and live like this? I can't live like this. I can't wax it. Like, I can't do it, guys. I'm such a wuss. I can't do it. Let me see if I can't even hold it. It hurts. It hurts. And I have wax all over my hands. maybe I'll try it again. Might try it again, but this time I have a different technique. See? This is a technique I like to call do something before something do ya. See? Let's use that. Something. When I tell you my blood is boiling, it's boiling. Ready? Wee! Jesus. 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 This is not good, eh? This is not good, oh. I'm telling you, this is not good. Maybe I'm a wuss, but this is not good. Yeah. Okay.
Everybody in the comment section start talking about Anna. Anna me buckler man start buckler style, but me can't name from buckler internet, brother. And me don't even talk about the man and where he's going. Cause they say me bad mind. Cause they say you broke free from me, dog. You don't talk about your look displeasing or ugly, or my face must be tough in the morning. Your man smell up him out like he must smell shit. And the man look for me, see ya.
I'm gonna be honest with you guys. That's where we're gonna leave the waxing for now. Where we're gonna leave the waxing? Here. You know where we're gonna leave the waxing? Here. Both of my armpits are in a permanent state of turmoil. Me cannot do it. Me cannot do it. Me can't even put down my armpits. I'm gonna have to take a shower before my husband come on. Me can't live like this, yeah. Me and the waxing. Dead story. No, sir. No, sir. No, sir. No, sir. No, sir. The doll cannot wax. The doll cannot wax. The doll cannot wax. Me pluck the armpit here until it start to bleed, and it look clean, you know. Maybe me for really push and go do the wax. Amoy, don't be a sucker. Don't give up. People are my hand, my cut out. I mean, me must say the first somebody will use 15 wax strip for wax one armpit. But when I say never say never, never say never, never say never. Me telling you the truth, you know. Me dep and give up door. Me dep and give up door. Me dep and give up door, guys. Me dep and give up door because this I get to the point where it's painful. It's painful. It's painful. It's painful. I'm feel like I do too much. That's the thing. When my sister always tell me, she said, "Amoy, you're not a professional. Why you have to do so much?" I wonder if I just wait until Nick come home and take this out. But then again, my husband him so rough, he going to tear this off and tear off all I black off of my skin underneath my armpit. So I could do without it. I'm going to make this dry down a little. And in the meantime, a double whammy me I do. I call this a style here. Double whammy. Let's go and get the other armpit going, shall we? I don't know how much it's going to do, you know, because I had already put the little oil thing underneath there. So okay. Yep, looks like it's gonna do so till me rotted. Me forgot what up your arms, so never say artificial intelligence. Smoke and drink and calm down. You're not that girl. You're not a vulgar girl. Where am I? The thing is, no matter how much you're in pain, you have to go over the thing multiple times. This is so painful. But already I prepare myself, so let me just do the armpit here. Ready? Me bumpy it does. Hey, armpit, hey, clean it, clean up. Guys, it's cleaning up so nicely. This isn't like, I feel like it can get a little cleaner, so let's get it. All feels good now. This feels good now. Yeah. Clean armpits. I have to wear sleeveless for the rest of the week. Ready? I'm gonna see nothing come off. All right, time for the big ripper. That armpit tear popping now. Hold me here. Hit a draw out from the root. All right, ready, guys? That one here. If you don't love me, pray for me. Ready? Set. Me bombard. Yep. I eat that for me now. Ready? Mighty God, man. Come. Oh God. And I never will leave come out. You have to go. Let me get some more. What's there? Alright, let's see who's. Oh, God of His mercy. Mighty. Then all you could have waxed your front. You could have waxed your front, you know. You could have waxed your front. If you try to wax your front, you lose it. They say you lose yourself. Then some you make people sin, you know. Sensible people like that. Ready, set.
Thinking that, oh, we're done slap meat and nail up. Oh, back bang, licking at your bumbo. Back bang, licking at your bumbo. Back bang, licking at your bumbo.
Alright, we have like a few more like strays to get out of this one. So I'm gonna see if this piece can get the job done. I honestly did not think that we would be here at this finish line, but right now I need to change my restaurant that I plan to go to for my birthday. The armpits are giving very much sushi. I'm gonna feed my husband some nigiri. Who'll be here? Oh, hi, waiter. That's the vibe I'm going. Ooh, baby. Not in the light hot door. It's hot. Hot. Me not tell you no lie. Let's see if we can get some out. I think it all depends. It depends on how soon you have to wax. If I can not have to wax in the next year, absolutely I'll do it again. If I have to wax in the next year, well, but ooh la la, she is clean. And see the shine? Do y'all see how shiny this is? Yeah. Wow. I just had to come and give you an update on my armpits. First of all, like I said, first time ever waxing. What's that? These I think are like where I had maybe ingrown hair. But either way, it's like my armpit is so fresh. Like, how quickly do I get to put deodorant under there without it like burning? I guess it makes sense that you shower before you wax, because like obviously you have to shower before you go to your wax appointment, and you don't shower as soon as you get back home. But oh, so fresh, y'all. When I tell you the wax picked out follicles, like hair follicles, I'm talking from way down into my dermis. Is it dermis? Epidermis, dermis. Way down in there. Way down. Anyways, y'all.